नमस्कार. हेडोनच्या ह्या आईच्या भागात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. म्हाका दिसता विधानसभा अधिवेशन सोंपलें आनी ताजी उपरांत काँग्रेसीन आपल्यालो बोवाळ स्टार्ट केलो आनी बोवाळ स्टार्ट जातनाच म्हाका खूब दिसांनी म्हगेले सामके बरे इश्ट आलेसबाब सिकेराक मेळपाचो योग आयलो. तो जॉन फर्नांडिसान तांकां पार्टींतल्यान सस्पेंड केल्ल्यान. म्हाका दिसना हांवें तांकां मेळटनाच सांगलें बी की खूब दिसांनी मेळ्ळे आनी लास्टाक जॉनाक लागून मेळ्ळे. सो आलेसबाब स्वागत तुमचें. Are you a congressman or are you not a congressman? I know it's a very weird question to ask, but I'm starting with that.
I am a congressman. What makes you say I'm not a congressman?
Because your party says that you are suspended.
My party says?
Yes. That you have been suspended.
Media says.
No, it's a press conference of the party.
I don't say, let me be honest with you.
The official party spokesperson
take
a press conference.
Let me be honest with you. That I'm now talking to you on this Prudent channel.
Yeah.
Fortunately or unfortunately, I don't subscribe to it because I've got that Tata Sky facility at home. So I've not even seen it on media. I've read something on the newspapers.
Even if you are read
but I believe that everything that comes on the papers need not be believed as God's truth.
Completely agreed, sir. But when newspaper prints that story, okay, you have not seen us. But when newspaper prints that story with a photograph of the press conference, quoting the official spokespersons of the party.
What official spokespersons? What have they said? Till this minute, I have received nothing in black and white from the party. Till this minute that I'm talking to you. If I was suspended, media is talking about me having been suspended on Friday or Saturday. By now, I should have received something. I haven't received.
There is no formal communication to you.
Nothing whatsoever.
So why do you think your party addressed a press conference declaring your suspension?
How do I know? They may be having nothing better to do.
Clearly, spokesperson has said that Alex Siqueira has been suspended for anti-party activities.
I काय ऐकू ना म्हणजे कारण काय ऐकू ना तुम्ही सांगताय.
What about his anti-party activities?
What anti-party activities have I done? Incidentally, I had predicted what you are saying has happened. Mr. Subhash Phaldesai, the South Goa district president, was initially they announced as sacked. Initial announcement.
Yes.
Subsequently, wiser sense prevailed and they must have realized that they don't have the powers to sack anybody because we have a bunch of jokers seated in Goa. They realized that sacking or whatever has to be done by AICC since it's an elected president. I have questioned that. And I have questioned it and I maintain whatever I said. Because you have here a gentleman who's one of the few genuine congressmen that I have met, aspires for nothing. All of us have been around the party and with the party aspiring for something or other. And here is a man who aspires for nothing. Here is a man who works for a company and still devotes his time for to work for the Indian National Congress. What was his sin? Having invited Mr. Ravi Naik and Mr. Joakim Alema, person whose faces you do not like, for a meeting in Margao. What is the meeting? To celebrate the birth anniversary of our late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. You suspend him? You sack him? And
is that the formal reason given for sacking?
Yes.
Is that the formal
reason?
Yes,
that is the reason. So I am told by him. And you as Goa Pradesh Congress committee allows one Balchandra Naik, who has told the sit that has been formed by the government to inquire into a particular issue, that he is a member of Shiv Sena, and you allow him to occupy the Goa Pradesh Congress office, and he there insinuates and casts aspersions on the character of a leader like of the stature of Mr. Pratap Singh Rane. What is happening here?
What is happening? My question is very simple, Aleshpa. Suspend आज जॉन फर्नांडिसान प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतला आणि क्लियरली सांगला I am going to clean up the party. I am continuing with the suspension and his own post.
That is why AICC is going to clean him up also. Everybody is just going to clean the party up. And at the end of the day, nobody is in this party.
You are saying John Fernandez will be sacked.
I have said he will be removed and has to be removed immediately.
Will he be?
Otherwise, there's something drastically wrong with All India Congress Committee. If no action is taken, everybody is bad.
See, एक गजाल असा की after last election, 2012 election, anyway, there is drastically something wrong with Indian National Congress. तुम्ही नवीन प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट करपाक ऑलमोस्ट 2 वर्सां काडली. त्या 2 वर्सांनी तुम्ही जॉन बाबाक चार्ज दिलो. ही केम विथ अ क्लियर मॅन्डेट की आपल्याक पार्टी निवळ करपाक जाय आणि जे लोकांनी वी हॅव लॉस्ट दी कॉन्फिडन्स ऑफ पीपल एज वेल एज द पार्टी. Even if they are senior leaders, he wants to clean the party.
You all are talking of indiscipline. Ravi Naik is also indisciplined. Has he been suspended for indiscipline? For what has he been anti-party working? For what has he been suspended? Please tell me. You gave him few days before you have given him the ticket to represent the party in the Lok Sabha elections, and suddenly he has become anti-party. What is happening here?
There have been serious allegations that even party made on party is making allegations on their own candidate.
It's a shame. You are making allegations against Subhash Phaldesai, election agent. It is the prerogative of the candidate, even at the last minute, to change his election agent. Has Subhash Phaldesai come and begged you to appoint him as your election agent? Who told you to appoint him? You selected him. One second. You have selected him.
Jenna Aleshba party म्हणता की as Goa unit needs a drastic cleanup. Conceptually, you agree.
Party munta or eklo John Fernandez munta.
He is your Pradesh Congress Committee president.
No, don't say party. Party is Indian National Congress. Has Delhi told him clean, send everybody home?
So, till the time AICC takes action against John Fernandez, I am to believe that he has a full mandate and confidence of the AICC.
No, you're right. In a way, you're right.
Correct, na?
I agree. I appreciate.
So I have to, because he said it in the press conference. Then I am the party. MLAs are not the party. That is his statement in the press conference.
That is all okay. That is all okay.
But conceptually, you agree that Indian National Congress needed a cleanup. You agree?
No, I don't agree.
You don't agree.
What is this cleanup? You want to suspend? Send the person home. Why you are suspending and keeping him there? Send him home if you don't want him.
What about your case?
What is my case? I am not suspended. I have told you.
You are saying you have not received any official intimation.
I have not received unofficial also.
Okay. So on the basis of the press conference,
you want to know what I will do if I get that?
Yeah, what do you
then I will not even reply to it. I will tear and throw it out.
No, that's not indiscipline.
To hell! What you will do? Throw me out of the party?
You are prepared.
You think world has come to an end for me? I have so many things in this world to do.
Your main allegation, after we'll go to the smaller allegations later. The main allegation is that ह्या लोकसभा इलेक्शनाक तुवें पार्टी खातीर काम केलें ना.
See, you can make charges. You can say what you want. When I say you, the party.
Correct.
Okay. Please prove to me where I have worked against the party. I will tell you.
You did not work for the party. They are not saying you worked against the party. You did not work for the party.
Then why did I attend their meeting?
One meeting.
Yeah, the final meeting.
One meeting.
Yeah.
I think Alex Sikora is a bigger leader than attending one meeting.
No, I'll tell you why. I will tell you why. Who are the people addressing those meetings? Any congressman was there at those meetings? Please tell me. Prashant Naik, congressman? My friend Radharao Gracious, congressman? Wilfred Desa, congressman? Vijay Sardesai?
Yes. You are not happy with Vijay running the campaign. You were not comfortable with Vijay running the campaign.
I don't know. It was Vijay's campaign. I thought it was Indian National Congress campaign.
Yeah, but it was Vijay Sardesai was running the campaign. I
am not aware. I am not aware that it was Vijay's campaign. No, I beg your pardon.
So your only issue is there was no congressman on the days.
You should have heard what was being spoken about the Congress party at that meeting. You should have heard. Then please comment.
Why only one meeting, Aleshpa?
Because it was disgusting to see the way that campaign was going on.
You are not happy?
No. At that, even the meeting I went for, I regretted going.
Who should have put these things in place? Senior leaders like you.
Because
Senior leaders like you should have taken initiative to make Reginald victorious.
No, I definitely have contributed to the best of my ability. I have definitely contributed. Let me tell you, if I am not mistaken, my constituency or the Nouveau constituency gave him his second highest lead in the whole election. Then what is that?
You are taking the credit for that.
I am not taking the credit. I take credit for nothing. But I am just trying to open your eyes.
Why Alex Iquera was not visible, in spite of being such a prominent and senior leader of the Congress, throughout the campaign trail of your candidate?
If you don't seek my assistance, I don't come and beg of you and say, here I am.
Nobody approached you.
No, you don't approach me. I am busy. I have got so many things to do. I have a family to look after. I have 4 children who are growing up.
आता second allegation तुझे असा की you were involved in so many illegal activities.
Like what?
Including there are 2 major charges. One is construction of an illegal hotel, and second serious charge. Now that can be a personal matter, but second serious charge that party is leveling against you. Ki you bought 2 premises, one in Margav and one in Mapsa, on Indian National Congress's name, and you kept it like that, which is they are calling it forgery and cheating, and they are going to file a case against you.
See, if they call it forgery and cheating, no, my humble request to all of them to go back to school and learn the meaning of the words forgery and cheating.
Did you buy premises?
What premises?
On the Indian National Congress name?
Never bought in the name of Indian National Congress.
Never?
Never.
Not in Margaon, not in Mapsa?
Never bought.
Never bought?
In the name of Indian National Congress? Never. Speak. Go on.
Okay. Next thing is about that illegal hotel.
Illegal hotel.
That our senior leaders are involved in illegalities, and we don't want such senior leaders, tinted senior leaders, to be associated with the party.
I am reminded sometimes of years back when people were members of, if I remember correctly, the Regional Transport Authority. I get those flashbacks. At that time, you see permits, Goa, Bombay, Goa here, Goa there, a big thing. So Alex Iquera has never indulged in all that rubbish.
John Fernandez's style of functioning. Many of the senior leaders of the party are not comfortable with it.
I am comfortable with anybody.
You are comfortable with John Fernandez?
In anybody.
And the way he has started bringing these kind of so-called reforms in the party.
What reforms is he done?
Are you happy with that?
I don't see any reforms. What reforms?
First time somebody is taking action against.
What action?
Against senior leaders.
What action?
We never ever saw anybody taking action against senior leaders.
It started with whom? Who are the senior leaders it started with? Please tell me. Action you're talking about. Started with whom? With whom? Please tell me.
They have even suspended Valanka Alema. Now they have suspended you. Yeah. So these are some prominent names within the party.
I am very proud that you consider me to be a senior leader.
Absolutely, you are a senior leader.
I thank you for putting
for
putting me in that niche of
definitely.
Thank you.
Definitely. They have spoken about action against Ravi Naik.
Thank you.
He has
spoken?
Yeah.
What has happened?
It is happening. Today he said, I will continue taking action. I will continue suspending people.
Boss, do you think these people are bothered about this suspension by one John Fernandez?
It doesn't make any difference whether John Fernandez suspends or
it doesn't make a damn difference. I'll give you examples where people have been expelled. Next day you require them, you brought them back. Welcome, homecoming you call it. And this happens in all political parties.
John Fernandez decided to revamp the entire party. He even said that he will dissolve all the 40 blocks and he will reconstitute.
That is his prerogative if he has the powers to do it. I am nobody to challenge that. If he has the powers to do it, let him do. I am not objecting.
Are you okay with such kind of steps taken by the party president?
Let him take.
Are you happy?
Let him take. We'll see that time what is what.
Are you okay?
I am okay with everything. I am even okay if I have been suspended with that. What is the big deal?